Good morning, dear students. Today we follow MSW logo. Already, MSW logo software you learn in standard 3. Some of the basic comments we follow here. Now, at first open your computer system and follow me. Look at here. This is the start button. Then at first I show the magnifier to see it very clearly. So click on start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Windows logo. Look at here, it is the yellow color symbol, it is the folder symbol. So Microsoft Windows logo, then it is the icon. So click on Microsoft Windows logo icon. So it is your MSW logo software window. So it is the MSW logo skin on the top of the bar is called the title bar. Now look at here, MSW logo screen. What is this? It is the file. Again I large. It is file. It is bitmap. It is set, zoom and help. These are the 5 menu, and in the middle of the screen it is your turtle. The triangle symbols in the middle of the MSW logo screen, that is also the main screen. It is called the turtle. Look at here, it is the commander. This commander window helps you to accumulate all the commands that you enter in command input box. What is command input box? It is command input box. You may enter all types of command here. Now, so follow the command one by one. At first, we follow the forward command. The forward or FD command is used to move the turtle forward in the direction in which it is pointing. So look at here, type, at first press the caps lock key and type FD space 100. Look at the turtle, it is the turtle. When I press the enter key, the turtle can forward upwards. It is your forward line. Next, after pressing the FD, we can draw a line, that is a forward line. Again we can press CS. What is the meaning of the CS command? That means clear skin. When you press the CS, then press the enter key, the forward line must be erased. Now BK space 100. Again enter key, the turtle can move backward. So it is the backward command. Again I press the CS, the line must be erased. Now right turn command. What is right turn command? The right or RT command is used to turn the turtle towards its right side. So for example, suppose RT space 90. Look at here, the turtle moves the turtle towards the upward direction. So when I press RT90 and press the enter key, the turtle turn right side, look at here. Again CS, press enter key, again turtle turns the same position. Now LT command. What do you mean by LT command? The left or LT command is used to turn the turtle towards its left side. It needs a number of degree to know the angle of turn. For example, LT space 45. So LT space 45. Again press the LT space 45, then enter key. Look at here, the turtle turns the left side 45-degree angle. If you press FD space 100 and press the enter key, the line must be 45-degree angle. Again you press CS, then enter key, line must be erased. Now I want to draw a square. How can I draw a square? Through the FD command and RT command or LT command. I follow FD and RT. How can I draw? FD and RT, the combination of FD and RT create the square. So FD space 100, press RT space 90, enter. What is this? It is the forward line and moves the turtle right turn. Again click on the commander window, then press the enter key. Okay, look at the commander window, click on it, again press the enter key. Look at the commander window, click on it and again press the enter key. Please look at here, my dear student, look at here. It is FD 100 and RT 90. This command repeated 4 times. You know that 4 sides are equal, so it is the square. Now look at here, the turtle can shown on the screen, so that's why how can I hide the turtle from the screen? The command is 80. So click on commander window at first, then press the HT command, enter key. Look at the screen, the turtle can hide from the screen. How can I again show it? Press the HT command, then enter key. Okay, thanks to all.